This article is based on the relationship program Respark the Romance by Brian Robbins. Falling in love is such a sweet memory. And it doesn't have to be just a memory. You can fall in love all over again. You can actually respark the passion and romance many times in your relationship, and keep it alive with a little intention and thought. If you want to make your partner fall in love with you again, try these tips. Some will seem too easy to make a difference, but even the simple, little things listed here will be a game changer. 1. Kiss her forehead. I really did mean easy. But kissing a woman's forehead tells her that you love you and want to take care of her. This is a lingering, sweet kiss on the forehead, one that embodies what your partner really means to you. It has a certain tenderness that gives it extra meaning. It's just a super simple but moving gesture that will make her fall in love with you. You're showing her that she means the world to you, and that will mean the world to her. 2. Embrace when you get home from work. There are many interesting studies about the effects of an embrace for a woman. Did you know that a man hugs his partner, it causes hormone surges and happy feelings? It literally affects her health. When you embrace when you see each other again after work, it reaffirms your connection, relieves stress, and brings her joy. It's a sure way of rushing to her and showing her that you missed her and you're so glad to be home with her again. It's nice for everyone, and it rekindles the romance and love, and then keeps it going strong. 3. Create something together. Couples who create things together weather storms in life better and have happy, long-term relationships. Having a home and raising a family certainly counts when you work together. It can also keep you busy so that you forget about being a romantic couple. So it's beneficial to have things that you do together, especially projects, a business, charity work, or something else that you build in some way. If you've grown apart and you want to rekindle your romance, find something you can create together. Ask her to join you in a project, or even ask what kind of project she'd like to do. There's landscaping, painting the home, remodeling, or maybe she has a creative project she's been wanting to do. Working together and having fun will help her fall in love with you once again. 4. Know when she's upset and make it better. Most men will step up and take care of their partner when she's sick. It will really touch her if you notice when she's emotionally hurting or overwhelmed. If you can learn her cues and notice when something is up, and then try to help, she will fall in love with you all over again. Ask her what's going on, or if there's anything you can do to help, or if you did something to upset her. We all go through times when we're sad, either due to something happening or just because. You can make those times better by talking, holding her, or giving her some time while you take care of things around the house. Also consider making her dinner, or bringing her tea and cookie in bed while she reads, to let her have some relaxing time. She'll fall in love with you again because you noticed that she needed some extra attention, and because you're happy to take care of her. But truly winning her desire is about much more than just taking care of her. If you're looking for the full picture of how to spark a woman's unending desire for you. 5. Make some us time. If you really want her to fall in love with you again, remind her why she did in the first place. Plan a date night or weekend away, or even set up a little while each day that is just for the two of you. Go to bed a little earlier, light candles, and give each other full body massages. If there's something you used to do together that you don't anymore, bring that back. Find some fun activities that you'll both enjoy, and dedicate some time to them so you can truly relax and not worry about other things. Making time for and focusing on her will respark the romance for sure. 6. Engage in pillow talk. It turns out that the minutes after sex are very important to the health of your relationship. 2 studies, one at the University of Connecticut in 2013 and one at University of Toronto in 2014, found that couples who spent a few minutes talking and snuggling after sex were much happier with their sex life and relationship. That pillow talk is often what brings couples close together, and it's sure to make her fall in love with you again. 7. Write a love letter. Yes, go all out and get super romantic, and write your feelings out on paper. This is more than a sweet text or even an email, although those are good for your relationship too. If you want to win her over again, try writing a letter to her about what she means to you. You can start with a card to inspire you, and add to it with a sweet letter. A few ideas to include in your letter. Remember when you helped me with. I love how you're so wonderful because I wouldn't be where I am without you. I want to help you and encourage you in. I'm so excited about. Women know writing a love letter is a big deal for a man, so it will drive home how serious you are about her and falling in love again. 8. Ask her what she wants to happen. There's power in surprising her with kind acts and sweet things, but to respark your love you probably need to find out what's been going on for her. What is she happy with? What needs to change? Was there something that happened to hurt the relationship, and how can you fix it? What can you do to show your love? If you ask her to spend a day with you to focus on your relationship, she'll start falling in love again. 9. Have a day for her. I once knew a couple that seemed very happy. Ashley shared with me one time that Daniel would have Ashley days where it was all about her. I thought that seemed a little selfish on her part at first. But I saw how he wanted to make her feel special, and by doting on her, he knew she was very happy and in love with him. On Ashley days she got to pick what they did for the entire day. I heard of rides in hot air balloons and also days where they sat on the beach. Sometimes they kept it pretty simple, but she got to pick what they had for dinner and watch movie they watched. If you're trying to win over your partner and get her to fall in love again, consider having a day for her. Spoil her, tell her sweet things, let her pick what you do, and show her what she means to you. You'll have fun too because you get to see how happy it makes her, and I can guarantee that she'll want to do some sweet things for you too. Try these tips and watch her heart melt. She'll soon be falling in love with you all over again. If you want even more tips, you may click the link below. Check out the sexual rubber band trick at Respark the Romance. The trick that will spark her desire for passion and intimacy with you.